say you say.
No,
say,
confess. You can't ask questions for questions. I'm going to talk now, you know.
Why?
It's named confession.
Me not answer.
Why not answer?
Me not answer. Ask one different question.
No, because the name confession say no, so me not hold back because me I tell the people them why you're in the tone of talk, so better you talk by yourself from now.
That's not a confession.
Me a talk, confess by yourself down there before me talk your business.
Then talk.
You feel like you're bougie, you get the education, you feel like say me I eat that. Me say talk your own business and confess yourself and me go talk.
Talk, you can't talk. You can't talk because if you talk, me I talk for you one too.
Where you go talk say about me?
Talk.
Where you talk say? Where
talk to? Talk. Me I wait for you to talk.
You wait for me to talk?
Yeah, talk.
Okay, so guys, today Shannel did in the tone a ball over man. Shannel ball over Jagger.
Guys,
tone a shed tears. Long time one time a ball over man. Me came go road, she was so embarrassed.
Guys, my confession is my confession.
Don't yet, girl, what you say? You really can't tell like me say me there with Akiwag. Guys, let me tell you something. Shannel get a hot box.
One
hot box in her blood clots. And she still run back at the man last night and don't come a club. When she hears the man say him now come nowhere, she still take off back her clothes and go itch up back at the man. This morning she up on the road a ball over the boy. Me I tell her, be along your water. Anyway, she a watch TT and her man. She friend up TT and act like she and TT are friend. When TT go near to her man, she get jealous and get vexed. You know what she do? She started to pretend.
No, come on,
yeah.
Come.
She started to pretend like say she and Jagger good. Where am I go? Where you started to pretend she and Jagger good because she had show shade panties.
Watch me are you, man? Watch me are you?
Show shade panties.
That's not my secret. Watch me are you?
She never did. Well, when the girl tap in eyes, what she do? She a friend TT.
Watch me are you? Watch me are you?
Because she want to get close to TT.
Guys.
What she do? She make sure say she a treat Jagger good because she don't want TT take with the man.
Guys.
Just when she say Jagger look on TT, and when she say Jagger look on TT, she get vexed.
You see the lady when you're honey, a whole heap of sleepless night she have over police, over TikTok police.
Me bombokla. Me bombokla. Me bombokla. Shannel, you go deep. Me I go deeper now. Me I go deeper. So what TT run gun?
TT afraid they bust out for her secret then.
Well, me I make sure tell in the chat, Shannel have one next man. Shannel have one next man. Yeah. I met the Shannel in our house a pre somebody. We not talk that yet.
I lie.
Me see Shannel in the house a pre next man. And Shannel on phone, I text another man. Me I tell her that. Shannel have a man where she a text.
But the people them over your glad because they must say, Ray, yes, girl, me work a true.
Well, I true, and it a go bust out true. And Shannel have a next man a text. Yeah. And she in the house a pray another man. Remember me tell you, in the house right here, so none of them no want to talk the truth. But me see Shannel in the house I flirt with somebody, but I'm not saying nothing too much. Watch and see.
First of all, you see, a untruth can tell upon me, but me stay at home because me a watchman. My baby
You stay at home because you didn't watch your man for
my
true.
baby father
When the man say,
was sick. He was sick and he told me say he don't feel good. And I said me I stay at home with him because he wasn't feeling well. Okay?
Titi, take a talk.
Okay?
Take a talk. Let me pass that girl here. Titi, go.
You tell Panty to watch her face. She afraid for talk now because she knows some missus.
Because I don't have nobody texting
No,
on my
Shannel, I
phone.
feel them turn now. Make me hear what Make them talk. Come.
Annie, we see Titi I walk up and up and phone with man.
Remember, Steno, you're a white woman, I'm going to kill you, so don't start for me.
Me? Oi, that pass and gone, that settled.
Pass and gone, can you
Like
woman
the
slow?
sea, like when the sea we have settled. Me see a
Yeah.
tap on phone. Me see a tap on phone today with woman. With man.
Me a card. I'm far in her.
Oi, before Shannel ball Titi the ball in a car too. When Annie need the boat and it while I go downtown. One long tears on a towel. We all solo up, I know yeah they solo. Look for them if I feel like a joke me I tell.
What she not cry about? What she not cry about?
Say Shannel a lock down Jagger too much. And she can't get fair time. So it look like say Jesus Christ.
You see Shannel like me I
for
tell?
last night TT na vibe. Yes, so she not really. She not broke out too much. You know TT would have broke out and be a thing and go on bad.
Yeah.
He mind upon Jagger one night because we know say Jagger not sick. I remember Jagger called me and saying he sick because TT
Humble,
like
thank you. Yeah.
lock him down. Yeah. Yeah.
Hold on now, guys. Hold on. Pass on the mic. Everybody pass on the mic. Guys, listen on confession box before TT start. Wait till you get some tops and wait till people end up as a support. We're not getting no support. So that's the reason why I say better we do it on YouTube. Because the thing is this, we're not got there so and we're not getting no support. We're not getting no tops, no nothing at all, guys. So to we it not gonna make no sense. No worry, we'll lock down the comment section because I found enough over here. No worry.